install apps on Fossil Watch? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you install apps on your Fossil Gen 5e smartwatch. In order to do it, so you want to access the Google Play Store. So for that, you want to first of all wake up your watch screen. So if the screen is dim, tap it to wake it up, and press the power button to access the list of apps. And after you do it, so you want to scroll down and tap the Google Play Store icon and tap the search icon and type in the name of the app or use a voice search in order to locate the particular app. When you locate it, so you want to tap on the app you want to install and tap on install and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've actually done it, so you could use a search filter, install and choose your device that you want to install the app onto your, and that is how you can do it. So and likewise, you could also install app from your mobile phone. All you need to do is open the Play Store app onto your mobile phone and search for a watch app, search filter to do it. So now tap on install and choose the device you want to install the app on your watch, and then you could go ahead and follow the prompt, and that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.